Today I removed this marker light out of this fender. Today I'm removing this marker light housing, or I removed this marker light housing out of this fender. Follow along. So I'll just lay this up here. And it was a little high here in this spot, so I'm going to try to bring this over further this direction. There. So I'll go ahead and cut out this corner down to about here and over to here. And as I get that cut out, I'll put a tack in here, and then I'll cut down and tack, and just so that the sheet, so this is laying down flat, flush across the top of that. And then I'll slowly work my way down and cut it as I go, because anytime you put a panel in like that, something's gonna move, it's gonna distort somehow. So if you're cutting as you're going, you're going to compensate. Well, there, I'm pretty happy with that. I just need to finish sanding the fender. I might have to put a little skim of filler on over the top of this. It won't take much. There was a little dent there before. Most of it's out now. But where I welded, there's just little leftover seam here. So we'll just get some filler on there, sand it down. And I don't remember there being any more dents in this fender, so I just gotta sand the whole thing down and seal it, and it'll be ready for paint later. Then I got another fender, and I got a box, and I got doors, and I got fenders, front fenders, and a hood, and a little cowl in the front. Cab, can't forget that. Just goes on and on and on. I've been accused of procrastinating about my sanding, which might be true, because I really don't enjoy sanding. Everything else is fine, I just don't enjoy sanding. So, anyways, I'll get after it. Well, I got it all ready, other than block sanding it. See if there's any more low spots and whatever else I might come across. So this one here, for the rough parts done, I've got, like I say, a lot of more fenders to work on. So anyhow, that was pretty easy to fix. It needed to be done. The other one didn't have that light. So anyhow, I'll keep sanding, and there's gonna be more of that. There's more of that to go around. More than enough to go around. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Oh, please like and subscribe. See you later.